In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Webflow to N8N using the Webflow action node. Start by opening your N8N workspace and locating the Webflow canvas. Search for the Webflow node and drag it onto your canvas. This node will handle all interactions with your Webflow projects. The Webflow action node supports operations like create, update, delete, get, and get all items, allowing you to manage CMS content efficiently. For example, you can automatically update CMS items or add new entries without manually editing your site. Decide which operations fit your workflow, updating content regularly or removing outdated items, and configure the node accordingly. Once set, test the node to ensure everything works smoothly. With Webflow connected to N8N, you can automate content management, maintain consistency, save time, and reduce errors.